I, as a candidate to fill a seat in the Council of States, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India. I'm first of all very grateful to the people of Meghalaya and also especially to our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Conrad Sangma, all the Deputy Chief Ministers, both of them, Ba Preston and Ba Sneobha, all our Honorable Ministers, our MLAs, and also our alliance partners from the UDP, the HSPDP, the BJP and the Independents for having supported my candidature to the Council of States Rajya Sabha. And today I've just finished filing the nominations, and I look forward to being elected, and hopefully after the election process is over and I'm elected,